My name is Jamie E. Wright-Harrison. My law firm is the J. Wright Law Group, and I practice in the area of employment law, breach of contract, and some personal injury. So what drew me into employment law was that people have this fundamental right to work and earn a living for themselves. And when someone wrongfully takes away that right, your right to support your family, your right to live, your right to have your pursuit of happiness, those things that are sort of guaranteed in the Constitution, someone needs to advocate for you to right that wrong and bring you justice. And what sustains me, at least at this point, is that strong belief and purpose that you have a God-given right to achieve a certain thing while you're on this earth. And if it's through your employment, which gives you the finances to do so, I want to advocate for someone who's not able to. What people oftentimes don't understand is that what it means to be an employment case or wrongful termination is simply this. You can be fired in California for any reason other than an unlawful reason. And the law enumerates what those unlawful reasons are, right? If it's based on your race, your gender, your disability, if you made a protected complaint about not receiving your wages, those things you can't be fired for. And I think that's what people have to understand. And when they look at, why was I terminated? Was it for any of these reasons? I spend a lot of time connecting with my clients. It is me that they speak with, and I ask them all those questions. Tell me why you feel like you were terminated. And then they start to talk to me, and then I start to ask them questions. Well, did anyone ever make any comments about your race? Do you feel like you were treated differently than someone who didn't have a disability? And that's how we flesh out the facts. And then from there, I give them the sort of broad scope of what the law says, because obviously they're not lawyers, right? But I speak to them in plain language. And I think that's one of the things that sometimes lawyers miss, that we're human and we're speaking to another human who has suffered. So I always come at them from a place of understanding and decency. It is very important to build the skills so that you are always at the top of your game as a trial lawyer. The nuggets that you obtain from coming to a place like Trial Lawyer University are something that you cannot place a real value on. I mean, there's a cost to come here, but the value of getting that one thought about how you take the deposition of a high-level CEO or how you cross-examine a difficult expert, it is invaluable.